Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of your life and health. Guys, my today's video is very creative and unique in itself because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful design ideas that how you can design your Eid outfits, your formal outfits and even your everyday outfits along with the very beautiful and simple design patterns. Friends, all of these hand embroidery design ideas are totally inspired from chicken curry patterns, from the basic design patterns of chicken curry that are being terminated throughout the whole world, globally recognized and mostly lovable from Asian countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh as well. And in those regions of the world, this type of hand embroidery is being termed as Lucknowi chicken curry. Friends, the color of the thread that is being used in the entire collection of the dresses is white, off-white or light beigeish types. So you can get the ideas that how you can pair up your shirts, kurtas along with white tulips, along with white shalwar bottom or trousers as well, because in summers it is our utmost choice to wear trendy and beautiful outfits along with a very beautiful pair up of white trousers or white dupattas or scarves as well. So different type of patterns have been shared, like of frocks, peplum, churidar, kameez and kalidar frocks as well. I hope that you are liking the whole video collection and ideas as well. Now some pictures of dresses along with white or white trousers are also being shown so that you could get the idea that which type of trousers or shalwar or bottoms that you can pair up with. You can also match up along with blue or different shades of bluish denim jeans as well. They would go absolutely fine and stunning. So I hope that you are liking the today's ideas, the concept of beautiful designs, and stay tuned for the new and more upcoming latest and trendy stylish ideas related to women fashion. And don't forget to like and subscribe, leave comments below our video so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming content.